I was wondering if you could show me how Standard Time handles project rates and project costing. Just how do you do that?
Yes, I can go into that. That story basically starts here with tools projects. I'm going to go in here and sort of show you where to start with that. I'm going to choose a project here, and there's a few fields that control, or at least begin to control, some of the rates and costing for each project. You're going to see that as you click on different projects here that you can actually have different models or ways to do your billing and have different rates for each project. So if you pull down the drop down, you'll see that there are user rates, category rates, and project rates.
Okay.
As I click on different projects here, you'll see those two fields change to show the different models or choices.
So each project has its own way of doing it, or you can set it up per project.
Exactly. In this case, we're using project rates, which you can see here, but in this case, we're using user rates. So if you went to the Tools menu and choose Use as an Organization, you'd be able to set those rates there.
Okay.
So probably enough said here. You start off your billing method by choosing those choices there. The next thing you'll see in the product is a few other menu items to set the billing rates on a project-by-project basis. So you can go in here either into employee billing rates or category rates. So I'm just going to choose employee billing rates. And here you would be able to choose a project from the left-hand side and then set the rate for each user so that every user has a different rate for every project.
Oh, okay. So instead of using what's in their profile, the flat rate that they have in their profile, it can be different per project based on the user or type of work.
That is correct, and I'll show you how that works out in the product.
Okay.
As we go over to the Project Tasks tab, I've filtered this view so that we're looking at a small greenhouse project here. And I have two tasks in here. One task is assigned to Ray, one task is assigned to Buzz.
Okay.
Each one has 100 hours of duration, but one task is going to bill at $250 an hour, whereas the other one will bill at $50 an hour.
Okay.
And it's all because of the different user that's assigned to that task.
It's based on that user rate.
Exactly. So you can see that here. So if you multiply the 100 hours times 250, you'll get $25,000 for the cost that you would charge the client.
Okay.
In this case, 100 times 50 is $5,000 for this project task.
Okay.
So the total is $30,000.
Gotcha.
We also see here that we've logged 1 hour of time for each of these tasks. That's just simply done by typing a 1 hour into the timesheet.
All
you
right.
can see that there's $300 charged already, so that would go to the accounts payable for invoicing. So that leaves a remaining of $29,700. You can see how it breaks out in the task below.
Okay, well that makes sense.
So that's kind of a quick overview. You can try these yourself and just get a sense for how they work, but that's pretty much it.
Well, thanks. I appreciate it. That'll give me a good start.
Very good.
Okay, thanks.